How to download Threads Instagram app on iPhone. Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so without wasting any time, let's move into the video. First thing first, head over to the App Store. Once you're inside the App Store, in the search bar, search for Threads. So this is one of the applications of Instagram. You need to move into it. The option of Get will be visible to you. In order to install, tap on Get. Now click on Install at the bottom of the screen. The application will start to install it on your device. You have to wait for the process to be completed. So there you go, the Threads application has been installed on your device. Now tap on Open. It'll open up this page. You have to log into your Threads application by entering the login credential of your Instagram account. Once you have entered the login credential, it'll open up this page. Choose if you want to make your account public or private. Tap on Next at the top right corner. And there you go, your Threads has been opened successfully. That's all for today, and this is simply how you can download Threads Instagram app on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.